So hey, Pelpina, you're telling me to upload square videos to Instagram and LinkedIn and Facebook, but how do I make my videos square? I'm so confused because if I open up my smartphone and I put it in camera mode, there is no square video option unless you have a specific smartphone. Some phones do support square videos, but most don't. So how do you make your video square? Well, there's a few different options. Of course, if you work with professional edit software on a desktop, you can just decide what your canvas looks like, But if you're working on a smartphone, you would need an app to do that. So there are several apps that do that. I really like InShot. If you've been following me, you know of InShot. It's a super simple app that easily lets you crop your videos to vertical or square videos. Also, you can pick and decide what kind of background. You can add text and really make it look all fancy. So that's InShot. It's a free app, and you can actually turn the logo off for every video that you make. Quick is another app that also supports square video. So in the very final menu of the app Quick, you can actually decide what your canvas is like. So whether you want landscape, vertical, or square video. So if you're shooting your video landscape, like I'm doing now, I'm shooting it landscape, you want to really think about that you might crop this video later on. That's one of the reasons I'm actually sitting a little bit more to the right. Also because I'm using the rule of thirds, of course, which I'll talk about in another video. But I can easily crop this, just take this whole part off. So you really want to think about this. And I've been talking to videographers who actually tell me that if they are shooting with regular cameras and they're shooting a video that they know will be square, they're actually taping off the screen square so they know exactly what the viewer eventually will see. So those are a few tips. Definitely think about making square videos. If you're thinking, what? I've never heard of this, square videos? Like, well, first of all, I don't know where you've been. No, I'm kidding. Look at another video that I made previously on when to make your video square, vertical, or landscape. All right, guys, I'm Pelpina. I love to make videos and share my video knowledge. So if you have any questions about making videos or video strategy, definitely leave a comment and I might answer it in a video, and follow me. Bye.